Welcome to my kitchen, where I'm going to attempt for the first time ever to bake peanut butter blossom cookies, my favorite Christmas cookie ever. All right, the first thing we have to do is preheat the oven to 375. All right, so we have our large bowl, which we're gonna mix in. And the first step is to beat half a cup of granulated sugar. So here's half a cup. Damn, that's a lot of sugar. Half a cup of sugar. All right, half a cup. Here we go. Woo, jeez. Took up like the whole bowl. Now we're going half a cup of packed brown sugar. Oh, this stuff looks like the actual, it smells so good. It just packs in together. All right, and the next item is, almost dropped my phone, in the bowl. Half a cup creamy peanut butter. Half a cup of peanut butter. Am I denting the bowl? The next item is a half cup salted butter softened. So I've just had these butters just sitting out. That's the whole stick. Good Lord. Get in there. Yes. All right, so far this is what we're working with. So no big surprises. 1 large egg, organic style. Hopefully it doesn't matter that they're brown. I don't think it will. Woo! Yeah, buddy. I'll just put these back in the refrigerator. All right, eggs are back in the fridge. 1.5 cups of flour. Getting a little loosey-goosey with the measurements, but I mean, it smells good. Now we're getting it. Just took a second, but now it's coming along. 3/4 baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Okay. Probably didn't need to buy this big a thing of baking powder, but I don't know what that baking powder does, but we'll find out. We're about ready to start rolling some cookies. This isn't too bad at all. All right, so what it said now is to roll the dough into about a tablespoon for sizing purposes, because I don't have one of those cookie scoop things. So it just said to use a tablespoon. Rollin'. Roll it in sugar, and then put it on the cookie sheet. My mom would be so proud right now. She used to make these for me, so in a way, this is sort of a homage to her. I might keep 1 round for myself. All right, so now is the moment of truth. Well, not really yet, but we're putting them in. We're gonna bake them 10 minutes, see what's happening. Here we go. Look at those bad boys in there. They're actually like puffing up a little bit. We are looking good over here. My first ever attempt at peanut butter blossoms. Let's see. I'm a master chef, what can I say? I might just eat the whole thing tonight, not even take any to the gym. Just say, I didn't make it, and then hopefully they don't watch this video and see that I did make them and I ate them all. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully you learned nothing, but it was fun, and I'll see you in the next one.